what was going on um, subconsciously or consciously with the Wuestenbergs, where they felt justified or entitled to pull a firearm on an unarmed black woman and her child. I mean, it's almost mind-boggling. But it's where's the threat? Where's what is going on implicitly where you believe that the situation requires deadly force, and that's where I think that conversation needs to talk, because I think we see this a lot, and I think there's something implicitly, either consciously or subconsciously, where we see blacks, African Americans, and having firearms pointed at them, and I don't know if it's because of what we see images on TV, whether we in our own households discussions, but this is something that I think is important to start talking about and having a conversation about, so we don't find ourselves in a situation where a mother and child could end up dead because of some subconscious bias.
I, I was scared to death watching that video. I
Right,
thought, oh my God, if is she going to pull the trigger on these people who are just standing there,
right,
clearly not a threat?
right.
It's really scared me, and I agree with you. Could you imagine if your client pulled out a gun on
Right.
this white couple?
How would that be viewed? But there's all these, and I'm sure, Mike, in your field, you deal with these biases that we really don't kind of deal with. They're kind of deeply rooted in our mental state, and we really don't talk about it. But at some point, I think it's important that, and I think the country is doing a good job of doing that, but we really need to kind of talk about these things, because obviously the Wuestenbergs felt extremely threatened in a situation that really didn't call for that.